Hello everyone and welcome to class of IBS LTE design. In this class today we are going to discuss about in-building solution LTE design. So let's start with the different solution for LTE in IBS. We have four different choices for this. LTE distributed antenna system choice 1, which is single input single output. Then we have MIMO. Third one is also MIMO and fourth one is SISO plus MIMO. So for LTE in IBS we have four different choices. Let's start with the first LTE choice 1, which is single input single output. Now what is the difference that we require to replace the existing combiner to introduce the LTE signal? So we can say that we have multi-system combiner which can support GSM, UMTS as well as LT. It is a unit which is required to replace so that it can introduce our LT signal as well with GSM, UMTS, etc. Then this combiner, then we have splitter and coupler, then antennas, single input and single output. Moving to the next, which is MIMO. LT choice 2. Here we can see different antenna groups. Antenna group 1 and antenna group 2. Again the same, it has multi-system combiner to introduce the LT signal, and this LT signal is directly fed to splitter as well. So it can have multiple inputs, multiple output to introduce LT. Next, LT distributed antenna system choice 3, which is also MIMO. We can see here GSM and LT signal is introduced in this coupler, and UMTS and LT signal is introduced in this, and then it is passed to the splitter. We have different antenna groups. Fourth choice is SISO and MIMO. Here we have different cells configuration like macro cell and micro cell. This is a macro cell, multi-system combiner is there, and this one is a micro. Pass to the splitter and then antennas. So these are the different IBS LT options. Thank you.